Hello everyone, we're here together again today with another video. I'm gonna cook keto diet friendly pizza. Today I'm not going to use tomato paste, I'm using Alfredo sauce. For my meat I'm going to use chicken today. We can go to the ingredients. For my bread I chose mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese with egg. Same as what we chose for the taco bread. And for the meat, I use chicken today, and then I use mushroom. And for the sauce, as I said, I'm going to use Alfredo sauce, pink salt, Parmesan for the end. For the spices, I use half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 of the teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of thyme. The new spice that I'm using today is thyme. You know, thyme leaf has a good smell and give a good flavor to the food, especially for like pizza or this type of food is well mixed together. So I'm gonna use that one. First of all, I'm going to heat up my oven for the preheat, and I do bake and I put it for 400 degree, and because it takes 10 minutes to get to that degree, then I'm going to prepare my ingredients and we wait on that. I have my 3 chicken fillet here. First of all, I'm going to chop it to the small pieces, and then I'm going to fry it in a pan and to get half cooked. Put my chicken in a pan and I put the turmeric and black pepper whole thing together in the chicken, and also I put 2 spoons of oil. I have my chicken. I'm going to cook it in first. I mix the spices and chicken together with the oil, and I give it time around 5 minutes to get halfway cooked, and I'll be back and I'm going to mix up the other ingredients. I use 1 bowl of mozzarella cheese and 1 bowl of Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, I'm going to mix the whole thing together. Okay, this is well mixed right now. Before putting in the pan, let's put some oil on the pan. That's the avocado oil that I'm using today, and I'm going to put it whole side of the pan because we don't want to get pizza stick to the pan. And then I'm going to add my pizza bread. Okay, I put it on the pans and I will put it on the oven first, and I make it half cooked, and then I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients on it and let it cook, and our pizza is going to get ready. Okay, 5 minutes is almost done. My chicken is ready. At the very end I put the pink salt on it. And I give it a rest. I turn off the oven, and I'm going for the other ingredients. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop my mushrooms, and for the very end I'm holding it when it needs to get cooked, and then I'm going to check my pizza bread and we go. What I use today is a 6 piece of mushroom. It's a medium sized mushroom. It's not very small, it's not too big. put it back in the bowl. And I'm going to check my pizza bread. Pizza dough is half cooked. And now it's time to put the other ingredients on it and let it cook, and our pizza gonna get ready. First of all, I'm going to use my Alfredo sauce. Then I add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Then I will add my half-cooked chicken. And then I put more mozzarella cheese on the top. And then I'm going to add the mushroom. And then just a little of mozzarella cheese. I put it to get cooked in the oven for 10 or to 15 minutes with a 400 degree. Okay, 10 minutes is done. I gave it 10 minutes to cook and I turned off the oven, and here we go. Our pizza is ready. We have our keto diet friendly pizza. I put like a half a teaspoon of thyme or 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme on it. It gives a good flavor to our pizza. And I put my Parmesan cheese on top of it, and we're all done. It's time to cut it and enjoying the pizza. I have my buddy here. He's doing all the videos. His name is Omar.
I get to eat all of his delicious food. And we're just happy to be able to make these videos for you guys because it's fun for us to do it. So I don't know about you, but I kind of want to eat some of this right now.
For sure, let's do it.
All right. Give me that little mushroom that fell right there.
For sure. Love Alfredo. Try.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, awesome.
It's amazing, and the edges are nice and crispy.
No.
Now that's good keto pizza.
Awesome.
All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. That was a great pizza that we made it together. It was so delicious. Please thumbs up and like the video, and please subscribe to our channel. There are more is coming. We are going to the exercising, we're switching back to food, and we want to go to this journey together with a healthy diet. Peace.